Every day, every moment, every cup of tea, every cup of coffee, every meal, every time we gather together around this table, around the table in your own home, around the table in Neal Hall. Every time we gather together, we have the chance to choose again. We have the chance to choose childish thankfulness or childlike thankfulness today. My childlike heart is simple. I have a simple goal, a simple wish. It's to see the world right, not to make it right, to see it right, to see the love growing here, to shine our light even in the darkness. That's our path forward. This is our sacred path. The poem I began with today is the one I'll finish with. We give thanks in circles. We circle up around the table, sipping coffee, eating pumpkin pie, around a hospital bed, keeping watch while a loved one dies, around a candle on an altar, around a tree as it drops leaves that we have to rake up in piles of circles on the lawn. We give thanks for the circles that surround us, the people we love, the people who despise us, those who surround us with blessings and with curses. May the circle of all hearts be ever expanding. We give thanks for the energy of the stars that circle us in our sleep as our spirits soar past the small circle that is our body as it tries and fails to contain our spirit. We give thanks in circles. My thankful heart is full of gratitude for this spiritual community where I get to pour out my love onto the sacred ground. It's a libation from and for the God in you. Peace and blessings to you all. This is my Thanksgiving Day, and so it is.